Hi guys, my name is Gaurav and welcome back to my channel Yours Techie, and in today's video I am going to unbox BoAt 225 earphones, that is BoAt Bassheads 225, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you its audio quality and give you its audio review. As you can see on the back side, we have written some specification like super extra bass, one button microphone, flat tangle free cable, and hand free pickup and end. That means a button to pick up and end call. And it contains in-ear headphones in red color and extra earbuds. And its manufacturing details of these earphones. And on the front side, it's written super extra bass, polished metal, and 3.5 mm L-shaped gold plated headphone jack and tangle free cable and one button microphone, and here it's written Bassheads 225. So let's open the box. The first thing you will see earphones, and these are some extra tips. Let me show you tips. There are a lot of ear tips inside the box. These are smoky red colored. There are 4, large and small, and these are plain black color. You don't have to worry about ear tips. It comes with a lot of extra pair of ear tips. As you can see here, small, medium and large. Let's keep it aside sometime. And these are its ear plugs that you can attach on the earphones to give you some comfortable fit while running or doing some exercise. And it's a clip that you can attach to its cable, and then you can clip it in your shirt or t-shirt for extra comfort. Now let's move that directly on the earphones. These are earphones. It comes with BoAt branding, and it is, I think it's metal. And it's a bright colored earphone. I mean bright red colored earphone. And here it's written BoAt and plug into Nirvana. And it's a mic cum button. And here is its 3.5 mm L-shaped audio jack. It comes with branding of Bassheads. Now let me show you its audio quality. Let me plug it into my phone.
कमजोर था वो ऑफ कोर्स, आगे सब कुछ है कठिन, टाइम ने दिया था ये हिंट, अगर आसान होता तो विन हर कोई होता शाहरुख सचिन, इंतजार था शायद एक दिन आएगा अलादीन का कोई जिन, कहेगा से बेहतर पर गिर जाने के डर से नहीं खोल पा रहा है वो पर क्यों ढूंढ रहा है तू बाहर साले कोई भी आंसर जवाब तितर बितर पड़े सारे तेरे ही भीतर तुझ में दम
It has some decent amount of bass and treble, and mids are also very crispy and clear. But keep in mind that you have to first plug it into your phone and keep it playing music at full volume for 2 to 3 hours to get it burnt. I mean, to get its coil burnt. After that, you will hear its true sound and true clarity. And some earphones need to be burned in when you have bought it, so it can give you a best possible output from it. So these are the BoAt 225 headphones, and this is a short video on it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you have loved it, please don't forget to like, share and comment down below for any queries, and subscribe to my channel. And link will be in the description if you want to buy these earphones. So signing out, yours Techie, and have a nice day.